Hello, welcome back guys to Sploraria channels here. Today in this video I'm gonna show you a tutorial how to sign up from a Filmora account on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly of course you just have to open your Filmora applications, and also you have to make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet. And now if you want to sign out from your account here, just go ahead to this mine option at the bottom, and now go to your account. Just tap on it, and after tap on this edit options. Now as you can see at the bottom we'll find out the logout options again. It's similar like sign out. Just tap on this logout options, and as you can see it's already logged out from my account on Filmora guys. If you want to log in again, you just have to tap on this join Filmora, and now just join it to your account by your Apple account. So yeah, I think it's enough guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.